After a very long period of time, I am back with the new library called React Chatbot Kit Library. So we are going to explore this library here and we are going to learn about this library, how we can make chatbot with this library. So the videos are going to be very short and so this is going to be a whole playlist. So let's get a start with this library. So firstly we can see this is the official website and in the right side we can see the chatbot. Here is a quick overview, so we can see the overview of this. So here message parser, config and action provider. So these three terminologies are very important, and also these message parser, config and action provider has their own file. So we name this file as message parser.js, config.js and action provider.js. We can see here that import config from chatbot config.js. So we have to make these files. So what these files do, let's explore this. So when we click on this message parser, so here we can see that message parser controls how the bot reads input and decide which action to invoke. Let's say user has input hello, so it will go to the message parser, the message will go to the message parser, and after that the message parser parse this message, and then we write the custom logic. In this, in parse function we write the custom logic. Let's say if if the user has sent message hello, then we take the action against this message. So let's see in the docs. Now see the logic here. If message dot includes hello, if the user sent hello, then we have to console it hi, means it will print console on the hi, it will print console it will print hi on the console. I hope you learn about this message parser. Let's explore config. So what config is? Before that we discuss about action provider. So let's see what is action provider. The action provider defines the bot response after the message is passed. So the action provider takes the action, in the here we can see the hello was sent by the user, and after that it prints the hi on the console. So we can do here, like we provide the function here that takes the action and will create a message called hi, and will display on the chatbot by the chatbot. So this is about action provider. Next, config. So config is a file we can customize the chatbot. Like, so here we can see that the chatbot name is docsbot, so we can rename this bot name. Then next we can see that widgets are custom components that you want to render with a chatbot. Here you can see that it's showing like in hierarchical order: message parser, then action provider, chatbot, create chatbot kit hi, and then set state. So this is the widget here. It's what custom implemented by the we can also make the custom components, so we will explore it later on in the next videos. So now let's go to the docs. Here you can see this is all about this, and also in depth you can see that we can customize css, saving dialogues, chatbot properties, custom message, widgets, further resources, payload. So we can do these all things in this chatbot. So we will cover this in later videos. Now let's see what is the project and we are going to make here. So the project name is Ace Drive Explorer. Also we can name this chatbot as Ace Drive Explorer, and then we take an input from the user name and then age and then preference. Like when the user age is like less than 10, so we provide the condition here kid. If is this less than 10, then we provide slow or fast, like the preference of the kid, that it wants to slow, it wants the vehicle slow or fast. Either it will select slow or fast. Then we here pass the url and the link of that product, and will display here. So this is all about this project. So we can see here, firstly we firstly the initial message of the chatbot is welcome to Ride Age Advisor. Then we display here widget, which is let's get started. So this is going to be a button here. So this is a widget we are going to make here. So this is a custom implementation. So in this way we are going to make this project. In the next video I am going to set up the project, the requirements and the files we are going to create, and in later videos we discuss about the action provider, how we going to implement the custom implementation, CSS, everything we will see in the later videos. And if you have not subscribed our channel, then hit the subscribe button and get like this video, and I will see you next time.